Today we're going to learn how to use Seoul public bike. Known as taringi in Korean, this is very foreign friendly and English friendly. You can sign up using both the website and their mobile app. Today we'll learn how to use the mobile app since apps make life so much easier. First, click Foreigner and that will take you to a map that shows all of the adjacent bike stations in the area. Here we're seeing everything available next to Gangnam Station. You can pinch in and out for more information and click to see if there are children's bikes available in case you have little ones with you. Purchase a pass between 1 hour and 24 hours. Enter your credit card information and it will display the prices in both Korean won and US dollar. When you're ready to pick up your bike, be sure to use the provided hand sanitizer. Open the app, scan the QR code, and watch the magic happen. Adjust the seat according to your height and store your belongings in the basket up front. Kick up the kickstand and you are ready to go explore Seoul. When you're ready to return the bike, it's also an easy process. Load the bike into the bike rack, kick down the kickstand, and manually re-lock the bike. Open the app to confirm drop-off. Make sure to take all of your belongings from the basket. Alright, I hope you learned how to use Seoul Bike well and use it to explore Korea during your next trip.